I'm Bill Brunner. I'm the CFO of Little Star Center Incorporated. We are a nonprofit in the area of serving and treating autistic children. We're a relatively large organization. We employ over 400 people. We have 5 facilities spread across the Indiana market. Our mission with Little Star is really providing the absolute highest quality care and advocacy for the autistic community as is possible. That is one of the reasons we're nonprofit, because we believe that we want to pour everything into doing the absolute best we can. We never compromise quality of care. When this pandemic hit, it really changed everybody's lives dramatically. We started to think about things we really didn't think too much about before. You know, we always were about cleanliness and safety, and we never thought about the air. And we started about exploring different things we could do to say, how can we improve air quality in the centers? And we think we've achieved it with this product. You walk into one of our buildings now and you feel like you're walking into a lobby of a hospital. There's no smell, it's crisp, it's clean. And we know our parents are really valuing this because they love their children and they want the best care for their children. Our experience with the AeraMax product has been wonderful. Everything from being introduced to its functionality, getting it installed, and how well it works. We're extremely pleased. And we've had absolutely zero maintenance problems with them at all. Even though we started into this project looking squarely at the current situation, the current pandemic, you get into it, you start realizing how much of a difference it'll make the rest of the year. We have a lot of little kids that bring in a lot of colds and flu. We have a lot of patients that have asthma or other respiratory conditions. All those things really are going to provide return on our investment in this for a long time to come. You know, this last year has taught us a lot about there's more to cleanliness than just wiping things down.